We're tracking 5 amazing species today to see how their populations drastically changed over half a century. 50 years ago, hundreds of northern white rhinos. Today, we're down to a staggering number, exactly 2 left. Meet Najin and Fatu, just a mother and daughter living under armed guard in Kenya. Wild, right? To prevent total extinction, scientists are literally relying on some incredibly high-tech biological engineering. Researchers are actually extracting ancient DNA from old museum skulls to engineer viable new rhino embryos. Sounds like pure sci-fi, but get this, 35 embryos has already been successfully engineered in a lab. Now, let's shift to the black rhino. Their story over the last 50 years is a complete roller coaster. In 1970, about 65,000 roamed free. But brutal poaching rapidly pushed them right to the brink. Thanks to intense conservation, they've slowly rebounded from a historic low to just over 6,000 today. Next up, the mountain gorilla. Just half a century ago, these incredible guys were seemingly doomed. Back in the 1980s, their wild population plummeted to just over 250 individuals. But thanks to extreme protection and awesome community intervention, we actually started seeing baby booms. Today, they're the only great ape whose population is actually increasing, now surpassing 1,000 individuals. Unfortunately, not every ape shares that success. Take a look at the Bornean orangutan's truly tragic timeline. Over 50 years, their populations have seen a totally devastating decline of more than 60%. This massive drop, it's almost entirely driven by rapid deforestation and habitat loss for palm oil plantations. Finally, we need to examine the deeply concerning data surrounding the African forest elephant. In just a 30-year span, their population has crashed by an absolutely astonishing 86%. So what does a half-century of data across these 5 magnificent species actually tell us? Well, it shows conservation definitely works, like with the mountain gorilla, but it requires immense resources. The data clearly proves that human intervention is a massive double-edged sword for these animals. We're the primary cause of their decline, but frankly, we're also their only hope for recovery. From engineered rhino embryos to community gorilla tracking, science and local action fight extinction every single day.